Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on your Toyota Avalon. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, get ready to use your ignition key and the trip odometer reset button. This straightforward method is the only way to manually clear that persistent reminder, helping you keep your dashboard clear and your car's service schedule on track. It's a quick fix you can do yourself. To begin, insert your key and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the electrical systems on. Next, find the trip odometer reset button, usually near your speedometer. Press and hold this button down. Keep it pressed throughout the next few steps to ensure the reset sequence is properly initiated. Now, while continuously holding the trip odometer reset button, turn your ignition key to the off position. Immediately after, turn the ignition key back to the on position. It's crucial to maintain pressure on that button during both of these ignition turns. This specific sequence tells your car's computer to prepare for the maintenance light reset. Keep holding the trip odometer button. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash or blink. Continue holding until the light completely disappears from view. Once the light is off, you can release the button. Congratulations, your Toyota Avalon's maintenance light has now been successfully reset, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.